Ever consider the process of preparing your preferred ballpark snack? Today, we will take a behind-the-scenes peek at the captivating process of hot dog production in factories. Hot dogs have been a cherished American food for over a century and have become a staple at backyard barbecues and sporting events. Most hot dogs are manufactured in factories due to their high demand, even though they can be prepared at home. This video will investigate the various constituents that are utilized in the production of hot dogs, the processing methods that are employed to produce them, the quality control measures that guarantee their safety and flavor, and the methods by which they are packaged and distributed to stores and stadiums. Whether you are a hot dog enthusiast or simply interested in the production process, you will want to take advantage of this informative and entertaining look at making hot dogs in factories. Meat, lipids, flavorings, and preservatives comprise the fundamental components of hot dogs. Beef, pork, chicken, and turkey are the most frequently employed meats, although the specific sort may differ. The beef is pulverized with other ingredients for the desired texture and flavor. Additionally, fat is incorporated into the melange to improve its taste and texture. Various flavorings, including mustard, paprika, and garlic, are incorporated into the hot dogs to impart their unique flavor. The hot dog's distinctive flavor is imparted by these ingredients, which may differ depending on the brand or formulation. Preservatives are included in the hot dogs to prolong their retail life in addition to flavorings. Sodium nitrite, sodium erythorbate, or ascorbic acid are all examples of preservatives. The ingredients are combined in a large mixing vessel to produce a homogeneous mixture. Subsequently, this mixture is fed into a sausage stuffer, which generates an uninterrupted supply of hot dog flesh. The hot dog meat is cut into individual segments as it emerges from the machine by a rotating blade included in the stuffer. The constituents employed in producing hot dogs are subject to stringent quality control standards. Proper handling and storage of all ingredients are necessary to prevent contamination, and the USDA must inspect and authorize the meat they use. Hot dog manufacturers can guarantee that their products satisfy the highest standards of safety and taste by adhering to strict protocols and utilizing only high-quality ingredients. The subsequent section will investigate the processing techniques to transform these constituents into the final hot dog product. The hot dog mixture is prepared and loaded into the sausage stuffer, and it is now available for processing. The stuffer generates an uninterrupted flow of hot dog meat divided into individual segments by a rotating blade. Following this, the fragments are transferred to a conveyor belt and progress toward the cooking stage. There are two primary methods of cooking hot dogs: simmering and smoking. Boiling is the process of immersing hot dogs in hot water and cooking them until they are thoroughly cooked. Conversely, smoking necessitates that the hot dogs be subjected to smoke at a low temperature for an extended duration. This process not only roasts the hot dogs but also imparts a unique flavor and texture. After completing the cooking process, the hot dogs undergo quality control inspection. To guarantee that the hot dogs satisfy the factory specifications, workers evaluate their color, texture, and fat content. Hot dogs that fail to meet these criteria are discarded. The hot dogs are packaged and labeled after they have been approved. The packaging may differ, but it typically comprises vacuum-sealed plastic containers or cans. The containers are marked with critical information, including the expiration date, ingredients, and nutritional information. Consumers must be informed about the products they are purchasing and consuming through the labeling procedure. Hot dogs are a high-demand culinary item. This implies that to satisfy this demand, factories must generate an extensive quantity of hot dogs. To accomplish this, factories implement sophisticated apparatus and equipment to automate the production process. The hot dogs are transported between machinery using conveyor belts, and they are cooked to perfection in temperature-controlled smokehouses. Additionally, the factory must guarantee that the hot dogs are secure for consumption. This necessitates that the factory adhere to rigorous hygiene and sanitation protocols. To prevent contamination, employees must adhere to specific protocols and don protective gear. Additionally, the factory undergoes routine inspections and certifications to guarantee that the hot dogs are secure and nutritious for consumption. The manufacturing of hot dogs in factories is a fascinating process that entails several phases, such as the mixing of ingredients, the processing of the hot dogs, and the packaging and labeling of the hot dogs. The high demand for this famous cuisine is met by the production of large quantities of hot dogs in factories, which are equipped with advanced machinery and equipment. Hot dog factories can guarantee that their products satisfy the most stringent flavor and safety criteria by adhering to rigorous quality control standards and maintaining a high level of hygiene and sanitation. The subsequent section will investigate the quality control measures that guarantee the safety and flavor of hot dogs. In factories, quality control is an indispensable component of hot dog production. It is imperative to ensure the safety and quality of hot dogs to satisfy regulatory requirements and preserve consumer confidence. The subsequent are the quality control measures implemented by hot dog factories. Initially, the USDA, United States Department of Agriculture, must inspect and sanction the meat utilized in the production of hot dogs. The inspection guarantees that the meat is safe for human consumption and free of contamination, including microorganisms and foreign objects. Furthermore, the same safety standards must be adhered to by all other ingredients utilized in the production of hot dogs. Secondly, to prevent contamination, the factory must adhere to rigorous hygiene and sanitation protocols. Workers are required to adhere to specific procedures for the handling and processing of hot dogs, which include the use of protective devices such as hairnets and gloves. Additionally, to preserve a safe and clean environment, the factory must conduct routine cleaning and sanitization of all equipment and surfaces. Third, the color, texture, and fat content of hot dogs are assessed during the processing procedure. If hot dogs do not satisfy the factory's standards, they are discarded. In addition, the hot dogs undergo tests for fat levels, temperature, and moisture content to guarantee their safety and suitability for consumption. Finally, the factory is subject to routine inspections and certifications by the USDA and other regulatory bodies. The inspections guarantee that the factory is adhering to the appropriate procedures and preserving a safe and healthy environment for the production of hot dogs. The certifications confirm that the factory's products satisfy consumer expectations and regulatory mandates. In general, the quality control measures implemented by hot dog factories guarantee that the final product is safe, healthy, and meets the highest standards of quality and flavor. Consumers can be assured that the hot dogs they purchase from the store or consume at sporting events are manufactured in a controlled and secure environment. The subsequent section will investigate the packaging and distribution of hot dogs. After the hot dogs have been processed and quality control measures have been implemented, they are prepared for final packaging and distribution. The packaging may differ, but it typically comprises vacuum-sealed plastic containers or cans. Important information, including the expiration date, ingredients, and nutritional information, is included on the packaging to guarantee that consumers are well informed about the products they purchase. The hot dogs are transported to grocery stores, stadiums, and other locations after they have been packaged. To guarantee the safety and freshness of the hot dogs during the transportation process, special regulations and precautions must be implemented. The hot dogs are transported in temperature-controlled trucks, continuously monitored to guarantee that they remain at a secure temperature throughout the transit process. Upon arrival at their destination, the hot dogs are stored in temperature-controlled environments until they are prepared for sale or cooking. This guarantees that the hot dogs are secure for consumption and remain fresh. Hot dogs are a beloved snack that is frequently consumed at a variety of events, including backyard barbecues, festivals, and sporting events. The distribution process guarantees that hot dogs are delivered to consumers safely and timely, as factories produce a substantial quantity to satisfy their high demand. In summary, the packaging and distribution of hot dogs are essential components of the production process. To preserve the quality and safety of the hot dogs, it is imperative to implement appropriate packaging and labeling, transportation, and storage. Hot dog factories can guarantee their products are secure for consumption by adhering to rigorous regulations and precautions. And there you have it, a glimpse into the manufacturing process of hot dogs in a factory. We trust you found this informative and entertaining, encompassing the ingredients, processing methods, quality control measures, and packaging and distribution. When you bite into a juicy hot dog at the ballpark or grill them up at your next backyard barbecue, you will develop a newfound appreciation for the complex process that goes into the preparation of this cherished American food. Thank you for viewing, and please remember to subscribe for additional captivating insights into the production process.